Leave strong. Hi there, folks. Bill Oxidean here. I'm getting ready to run a friend of mine named the Magnum 44 Twin Cat. But we're going to do something a little different. I was digging through a box the other day, and I found these props that I modified a long time ago when I was developing power systems for the animal. These are some CNC props. They were actually 4/8/1/8, 3 blades, that cut into a different blade pattern and actually increased the rake, which in turn took the pitch down a little bit. So you can see the rake is increased a little bit, the angle. Now this is what it started out as. A big cleaver with much less rake and a little more pitch. Went from this to this. Now the issue is, I don't remember what those props did when I ran them. I simply don't. I don't remember what they did, and I'm really curious. So we're going to take this Magnum out on 6S with 2000 kV motors and our 200 amp ESCs, just for schnicks and giggles, see what they do. Oh, I forgot to add, they've also been cut down to a 45 millimeter diameter. Now here we are on location with the Magnum 44 and the mystery props. Water isn't glass, but isn't bad. It's got some smooth spots out there. No excuses for not having a great time. Yeah, we're going to put the Magnum 44 out there and see what happens. All right, now let's see how this thing leaves. Leaves strong. Now these boats leave kind of weird anyway, depending on prop, but let's give it a shot. They're fast, but they got a lot of lift.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the raddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Starting with the carbon fiber Kevlar rig. CNC parts, man, it's built for speed. High flow.
Yeah, they got a lot of lift. They're burying the nose real hard.
Animal twin cat RTR. Fastest in the game, it's a superstar. And the Dominator model, man.
They're fast though. I just had to tune the boat different with these props.
Props, it's lit. Strongest power systems on the market, legit. Oxidean Marine, no questions, that's it.
Bring it in.
It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine. Who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine.
I'm gonna call these bad boys the lift masters, because they sure have a lot of lift. They were stuffing that nose down. I can see where these would really do well, like on a boat with a light front end, but for this boat, it's not the particular characteristic it likes. But I can't end the video like this. I got another set of pair of props to try on this thing. I'm gonna try my 4/8/14s, or no, my 4/8/19s. Let's get this sumbitch charged up and give it another shot. Beautiful, it's Disney on ice this morning. Okay, dear friends, I went back and charged the batteries again, same batteries. We're gonna bolt these 4/8/14s on, OXM-00273s, 48 millimeter, 2000 kV, 6S on a cat. Let's see what's happening. All right, 4/8/19 props installed. Let's see if this 114 cat wants to meow for us. The water's pretty flat out there. It's glassier than I thought it would be. Let's get after it. This guy's flying a drone. I wish you would help me film. Nice and glassy. Nice and torquey. All right, let's see what this old school style setup will do. Tranquilly, she comes back in. Now, I wasn't particularly overwhelmed by the speed, but it's a nice sports setup to cruise. I just want to try it out because it's coming out of this boat. That's right. I got some new stuff that I'm testing with it. In it, one being the 200 amp Hobbywing ESC times 2. So stay tuned for that. But until then, subscribe to our channel, smash that like button, and continue enjoying radio control model boats. Bill Oxidean over and out.